Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best single-seat dog covers for cars available in the market, the Active Pets Dog Car Seat Cover. If you're like me and love traveling with your furry companion, keeping your car clean and your dog comfortable is a top priority. That's where the Active Pets Dog Car Seat Cover comes in. Designed for durability and convenience, this seat cover isn't just your average pet accessory. It's crafted from 600D Oxford waterproof cotton, making it both sturdy and easy to clean. No more worrying about mud, dirt, or pet hair ruining your car seats. What sets this cover apart is its versatility. Whether you have a sedan, SUV, or truck, it's designed to fit most vehicles. You can use it as a standard seat cover, a hammock for full backseat coverage, or even as a cargo liner in your trunk. Safety is paramount, and the Active Pets cover includes 4 heavy-duty headrest anchors and 2 seat anchors, ensuring it stays securely in place even during bumpy rides. Your pet stays safe and comfortable throughout the journey. Now, let's talk about user feedback. With over 19,000 ratings and an impressive 4.5 out of 5 stars. It's clear that pet owners love this product for its ease of installation, water resistance, and overall sturdiness. Compared to other options on the market, the Active Pets Dog Car Seat Cover stands out for its combination of quality materials, thoughtful design, and customer satisfaction. So, whether you're planning a road trip or just daily errands with your 4-legged friend, the Active Pets Dog Car Seat Cover is a game-changer. Don't just take my word for it, check out the link in the description below to learn more and get your own. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more honest product reviews here on Product Critique. Until next time, happy travels with your pets.